c'est quoi? Enduro 530 XC de 2010?
2011.
Ok. Bon, allez, c'est parti, on va voir. Attends, je t'enlève la baisse. C'est bon. Ça fait bizarre. Oh là là, ça fait chelou. Oh. Ah, il va falloir un peu de temps avant de m'habituer. Là, c'est à gauche? Ok. Je sais plus où pour démarrer celle-là? Ah ouais? Allez, c'est parti. Oh là 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 là. Oh là là. Oh là là, c'est un jeu d'enfant. Pas. Direct, ça a levé quoi. Là, c'est... Alors ça vibre, tu vois, c'est brut. Yeah, je sais pas comment expliquer. C'est comme la mienne, en plus brut, plus léger, plus maniable. Beaucoup moins confortable par contre. Sauf que moi, bon, vu ma selle, ça reste quand même un banc en bois. Mais là vraiment, je suis pas dépaysé quoi, je suis pas choqué, c'est énorme. C'est le top. En fait tout résonne, tout vibre, tu vois, ça va jusqu'à dans ton poignet, dans tes jambes. Ah c'est énorme, c'est énorme. C'est bon quoi, je suis convaincu. C'est ça qu'il me faut. C'est un enduro transformé en supermoto. Et là je pense que je vais m'amuser. Je me méfie là parce qu'au luxe il y a toujours la piste taille. Putain. Bon bah écoute hein. C'est sûr, c'est ça qu'il me faut. Un enduro transformé en supermoto. Bah maman, j'ai des projets là mais hein Jérôme, Husqvarna à Nancy, c'est quand tu veux tu ouvres. Hein? J'en peux plus moi, faut y aller là. Bon allez Michto. Bon on va chercher d'abord à bouffer, mais où à bouffer alors?
On va à la rade là.
Allez vas-y. Ah l'oasis, la base hein. La base.
Yeah. Everyone wanna put on, but not everyone got the reach. Wanna take blood, success take kids. Not everyone wanna pay the cost of each. I heard what they gon' do, when they gon' do it. I swear they just talk to speak. Talk is cheap. If I was you, I'd move my legs and lock my beak. Work, you decide what you wanna be. Worth, had to learn how to put me first. CEOs don't wanna be clerks. What you put in, probably what you deserve. When I leave Earth, I finally get sleep. I don't waste no time counting up sheep. On account of this shit, I still haven't reached. Gotta run off the leash. Cause if all my life I wait for something to work, I'll probably be better off late and under the dirt. Put that on my grave. My grave, put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. My grave, put that on my grave. 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 My tomb, my grave, my tomb. Put that on my grave. My tomb, my grave, my tomb. Put that on my grave. My grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. My grave. Put that on my grave. say them, cause if all my life I wait for something to work, I'd probably be better off late and under the dirt. Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. Put that on my grave. My tomb. My grave. My tomb. Put that on my grave. My tomb. My grave. My tomb. Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Put that on my grave. My tomb. My grave. My tomb. Put that on my grave. My tomb. My grave. My tomb. Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Put that on my grave.
My grave, put that on my grave.
Allez, on rentre. Ça va ma couille? Ouais. Tu rentres? Vous rentrez tous?
You can bring your girls, I bring the homies, that's cool. She don't fuck with rap dudes, lucky I don't rap too. But probably get a quote from lyrics on her as a tattoo. I encourage good living, good smoking, good tunes. Still cool and pop the Zanny, only feel it when I move. But I still wanna prove, heard the homie beat the case. They still banging like the 80s, niggas dying every day. I'm the one to say the planet, Captain Planet with a K. Now these niggas wanna jump on all my old hoes. Probably curving like a picture, that's a no-go. Niggas talking shit about me, only promo. Watch the drummer start to banging like it's go-go. I didn't pop too many fades, I can't give a fuck.